Hi. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your Poppo live profile. Okay, so now what you do is you open your Poppo live app. It's loading right now. Come on. It's taking way too long. Okay, beautiful. We are in. Okay, so at the bottom here, also now what you're seeing here are the live covers for the people who have actually gone live. So you can click on any of these and you'll be able to see the person who's gone live. Okay, so now let me take you direct to the tab sitting at the bottom there. So there's one sitting in the bottom left corner. That's where you have to go live from, and that's the one which is activated by default. Then the second one, you click it if you want to join any party, but my interest is to show you how you can set up your profile. But of course that other one which has more like a circle and then there are two dots, which is the last but one icon, that's where the messages are checked out from. Then the one which is seated in the bottom right corner is actually the profile tab. Click it and you'll be brought here. Now, some of the features won't be there on your phone in that you're very new. Okay, so now you've seen that there is a picture there sitting in the top left corner. To some of you, you may not have this, so you need to click at the far end here as for you to edit everything here. So you click on the right side where there's an arrow there, click that one. So it's loading. So now you see it's showing everything about me here. So if you want to edit the information, that is the profile pic that you want to upload, check out that icon which is more like a pencil sitting in the top right corner. Click it. So when you click it, you're going to be faced by this. So from here, you will need to edit everything starting from your nickname. That's your name. You'll be able to upload the profile pics from those plus symbols that you're seeing, and then you can actually punch in the self-introductory message from here. Then you can also, these others, as long as you opened this account by using your email address, some of these things will actually be set up for you by default. So the year of birth, you can actually change this. In fact, there'll be a wrong year of birth, so you need to change everything. So now let's check out this one. What else do I want you to know? Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do after you have actually set up everything, your name, your whatever, you need to now come here where it says auth. That is right below this bar, which is saying number privileges. There's top up, withdraw, store, game. Don't worry if you don't see games. You will have them when you reach level 3. So now at the bottom of that, there is medal, fans, auth. Go to auth. This one is actually the abbreviation of authentication. You need to click on the first one. You see that everything is actually set. Everything is actually done from here. I did the authentication. This is where you'll be asked to open your mouth, to blink, to do whatever. And when you're done with this part, you can now roll back here. Okay, so go to where it says reward. Just below those coins you're seeing top up, now below there's a blue tab saying reward. This is where you check out the tasks that you have to do for a day. So click there. And you will see what is expected of you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so we are in. The first one, they're saying fruits roulette. That's a game. They're saying have to actually play this game. Then for you women, there will always be one part where you'll be told to go live. So when you go live, you're given points. So, and after you go live, you will need to join a party for 15 minutes and you'll be given 800 coins. That is that's the third task. But for me, as a man, I'll be given 200. So there are these other tasks that I have to, so you have to make sure that you do them. And when you do them, you'll be given rewards. Let's check out this one. How then do you join a party? So from the bottom left corner, the one that where you have an icon which is reading live, the second one, that's the one you click if you want to join a party. Click it. So parties are being opened up. So these are the parties that are being held by different people. So I need to join. For you as a woman, you have to make sure that you sit in a crown city. Let me check for a party where there are few people. This one here, you simply click on one of the pics you're seeing there.